Good morning children, welcome back to the class. I hope you all are fine at home and keeping well and studying all the subjects, and now onwards I only will be teaching you the key fit for 6th year students. Are you all following the videos or not? So please follow the videos and read the lesson. For keep it and all, not only follow the videos or write the question and answers in your copy. If you learn, that is not enough. You have to read the lesson and underline and find out the blanks, one word answer questions, everything through the textbook only you can get. Question in the exam, you will be only having the textbook question and answers. But all other things inside the lesson only you will be getting. So what is your first duty? You have to read out the lesson and then you have to underline. If it is anything important you feel, immediately you underline and you make sure that all you are note downing, in keep it copy only. Back side of the copy you can write it like a blanks, lesson wise, one word answer. Anything you find you can write this so that it will be easy to learn for your exams. Now last class I has told you already how the syllabus started. Chapter 5, introduction to the components and physical fitness, that is over already. Now let us start the new lesson today. So what is our lesson? Lesson number 7. What is the leaders and followers? Leaders and followers. So leaders, followers, these both are very important for the country or for the if you see for school, for class, for home, everywhere the leader has to be head of one person has to lead the people and others should follow them. When the followers we will have, when leader is having a good qualities, isn't it? In the classroom if you see, when you respect your leader, when you obey your leader, when you feel that your leader is doing all the works on time, when your leader is perfect in doing the things about the studies or about any other co-activities, whatever the curricular activities, in everything, if the person is active means, then we can say he is a perfect leader. In this world nobody is perfect. Is there no? Every person is a student, we can say, a teacher or a head of who is take a prime minister or whomever. Everybody learns through the things. When we do the things only we learn. But when we are doing things, it should be perfect. Whatever the work we are doing, that work how much we know, we have to keep wholeheartedly and do the things. Now, let us see, before going to the lesson, some questions they have given. How can be a good leader? How can be a good leader? Tell me first question, how can be a good leader? So the good leader, how many questions they have given, we will see. First question is what? How can be a good leader? Good leader. So good leader. This is one question. The next question what they are asking, how can be a good leader? How can I? So you can click here, how can I? You can question yourself. How can I be a good leader? The next one more question you can add there. How can I be a good leader? The next, how can I contribute? How can I contribute? How can I contribute to my team? To my team. one more question. The next one, how can we a better follower? How can we a better follower? The next, first let us see how can be a good leader. So how can be a good leader? The develop leadership qualities. How we have to develop the leadership qualities. So if you see the good leader, what is a good leader? The first task is how can I be a good leader? That question if you take out, then how we can be? There are many leaders whom we recall their names every time, and they have worked very hard for the country. So many are there. For example, we take Mahatma Gandhi. The next one, Jawaharlal Nehru. So many the leaders were there. They have fought for the country, and they have brought us freedom. And why we call their names only? That time everybody was following them, everybody was joining, and everybody fought in that situation. But particularly these people we call. Why? Because they have taken the leadership. Why we are calling them, recalling them? Because they have taken the leadership. So then they have lead the people. They made the people. They have lead the people to fight for the country. So that's why means the quality should be there. First of all, everybody cannot be a leader. In the class, you all are sitting there. Everybody can be a leader? No. Only very few we select, one or two only we take. So why? Because the particular person, when we see, or the way he behaves or the way she behaves, according to that, and the studies we will see, and the behavior we will be seeing, the discipline of the person, everything will be calculated. When we calculate all the things, if the person is having very good voice, commanding voice, good voice, everybody has very good, sweet. We all feel that our voice is very sweet. But commanding power should be there. When the person is saying anything, that should be commanding. Everyone should feel like listening. They should, when the one word said, immediately the class should be quiet. When it will happen? When the leader has a commanding power. When a leader has a commanding power in our hand, then what will happen? We can control the people. We can make them to be a silent. So all these things, when the person is having a good leadership qualities and all, it will happen. So let us go to the lesson. Page number 39. Leaders and followers. What is a leadership? The first question we have raised here. What is a leadership? True leadership is the ability to be a. So true leadership how? Ability to be a catalyst for the change. So we have to have the true leadership is the ability to catalyze. Means the leader should have the molding system. So she or he should mold herself or mold him according to the situations, according to the people. It has to turn, and then sometimes we have to listen to the followers, or sometimes we have to give suggestions, and we should take their suggestions. So that called the change. To inspire and present the people to follow the readiness path, means in a right path to come out. In a right path to come out, the leader should inspire them. That will be the commanding power or inspiring. When the person speaks, we should feel like listening. Everybody will be speaking. Everybody will come and give the speech. When we ask everyone come and sit here and give the speech, everybody will come. But some people, when they give message, then we feel like listening. If any one word or two words when they speak, we feel like listening to them. Because that spirit should be there, inspiring the people. Through our words, we should inspire others. So that quality should be there for the leader. And the leader has to take the people in a right path. So, not in a wrong way. The leader always should stand in the right path, and it has allow the people also to come in a right path. If they are going in a wrong way, immediately the leader has to guide them. So that should be there. A leader puts ideas into people's mind and inspires them into action. So the leader, what the leader puts the ideas in the people's mind and inspire them. If the person is student is, no, I cannot ma'am, I cannot do, means what the teacher is, why can't you? You have talent, you can do. If you try only that, you will know you can do or not. Have a one trial. So that is inspiring the people. The person who feels that I am weak in particular, then what you have to do? You have to inspire that particular person. You have to inspire that particular person, boosting up, we say. So you have to make the person to boost up. Then they should feel like participating in such a programs or anything. So that action, inspire the people to do that should be come into the action. Empowering one's followers rather than controlling them is the hallmark of a true leadership. Yes, dears, this you have to always remember that we should not command them. We have to act. I am a leader. You do that. When you say, nobody will listen to us. Anyone will listen when you show your power there. When you want to show your power, anybody will listen to you? No one will listen, because they think that attitude is coming up. When you show your attitude, nobody will like you. That's why we should not, that is not a good habit, we can say. The leader should not, mainly the leader should not have. Empower one's followers rather than controlling. We should never control the person. You sit here, I am telling you to sit here means only you sit here. If you compel them and do make them means nobody will do. You have to make them to understand. You have to speak such a politely. As a leader, don't think I am a leader, I have a power. You are a leader, you have a power. But you should have the followers. Then only you will be a leader. Isn't it? When you will have the followers, when you are in a correct way, when you listen, when you have patience to listen to the followers. The leader always should listen to the followers and take the decision. First you give chance to the followers. Whatever they are telling, everything we have to listen. Then you finalize what is good, what is not good. Instead of that, you going on commanding them, controlling, you sit here, you do what I say only, you have no right to speak, means nobody will follow you, or nobody will speak, answer your questions, or nobody will do whatever you instruct them, because they think that you have an attitude you are showing them. You have proudness. So that should not be there for a leader. The leader should be a humble and he should be a good towards the followers. That you have to. Leadership is another name for moving confidently on the firm foundation. Yes, dears. Leadership is the other thing that the leader has another name of you have to keep the confidence. So in particular people, you should be able to give confidence to the others. Confidence levels you should boost up every time. And you have to make the firm foundation. So for the next foundation, how you have to be, how you can do. If this is we have done, very good. But more than if you put effort, then we can do better. So like that we have to inspire them. We have to make them to understand. When you make them to understand, then there will be no clash or bonding of the leader and followers will be in a correct way. But instead of that, if you are crossing the limit and if you want to show your attitude there, means nobody will follow you and you cannot be a good leader. Nobody will call you that you are a good leader. So that we have to remember. So this is the next one. They have given you in your textbook, if you open page number 39, as I said, identify the following. So here they have given some pictures. They have given some pictures of the leaders. So whatever that they have given, you have to write down. I am giving you as a work. You have page number 39. Page number 39. Identify the followers they have given. So write all their names in your textbook. Find out from the Google homework, so complete. And everyone has to write down in your textbook, and you have to, when I ask, you have to show me. So I hope you have enjoyed till here. We will be continuing the lesson in next class. Thank you.